In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an awaiting payment invoice in Xero. Navigating accounting software can sometimes be challenging, but I'm here to guide you through each step to ensure that you feel confident in managing your invoices smoothly and efficiently. First, you need to log into your Xero account. Head over to the Xero login page and enter your credentials. This will take you straight to your dashboard, your central hub for managing financial tasks within Xero. Once you're there, we can dive into the business section. Next, locate the top menu on your dashboard and click on the business tab. From here, select invoices. This page will display a comprehensive list of all your invoices, categorized into various statuses such as draft, awaiting payment, and paid. It's a convenient way to manage and monitor all your financial transactions at a glance. Now, the task is to identify the specific invoice you wish to delete. You can either type into the search bar for quick access or use available filters to narrow down the list. Make sure that the invoice in question is specifically marked as awaiting payment. If it's not, it may mean a payment is already applied, which complicates the deletion process. Once you've spotted the correct invoice, click on it to open the details page. You'll want to familiarize yourself with this page as it holds all the relevant information about the transaction. At the top right corner, you'll notice a button labeled Invoice Options. On clicking Invoice Options, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Delete. Xero will prompt you to confirm this action. Deletion is irreversible, so ensure that you absolutely wish to remove this invoice before proceeding. One critical point to note, if a payment has already been applied to this invoice, you won't be able to delete it directly. In such cases, you'll need to remove the payment first. This can be done using the Remove and Redo option, which essentially undoes the payment. Once that's accomplished, you can proceed to delete the invoice as described. That's it! You've successfully deleted an awaiting payment invoice in Xero. It's always good practice to double-check the details before deleting any financial document to avoid any inconveniences down the line. Mastering these essential tasks can greatly enhance the accuracy and efficiency of your financial management within Xero. Thanks for watching.